Alright, we're back. I apologize. I get so excited about doing videos that sometimes I overlook the obvious. But anyway, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our brush and just run it through these guides. Just make sure there's no dust in there so that the guide doesn't seize. The liner doesn't seize as we put it in. And that's really about all it takes. Okay, what we use here is a chisel gun, and they make these special piloted drivers, and we've already selected the one for 3/8 guides. As you can see, that fits real nice. What we need to do is make sure the guide is installed correctly. See if the camera's picking this up. One end of it is spiraled and the other end is smooth. The smooth end always goes toward the combustion chamber. So here we go. Probably lay these out first. We're going to put a little bit of lube on here. I find that WD-40 works just fine. Double check to make sure we're going in. Make sure we're going in the correct direction. Here we go. Just center up here. And we can feel where to stop. And we'll just do the rest of them the same way. These guides appear to be a little bit too long for the head, but these guides have also been machined for different seals. Doesn't take much, just a little spritz of lubricant there. Alright, one more and we're done. And then what I'm going to do is show you how we chop the top of the guide, bring it down to what's left here. And I suspect that somebody had put a big lift cam in here at one time. and maybe machine the guides a little shorter. Alright. Another little trick that I like to do, I don't know if everybody does it, but I try to do it on all this old cast iron, is just put a little bit of a chamfer on all the head bolt walls. Sometimes they have a burr on them, or a little flange over area from being torqued repeatedly. So we just take a little counter board here, or counter shaft. And that's all it takes. Now there's nothing on top here. The bolt will slide in nice and easy. And we can go on here and machine down the top of the guides. Alright, we'll center up here. That's the beauty of this machine, is it's got so much versatility. There's so many things we can do, and so many things that we can do that we could not, or were very difficult before we had this machine. We'll go ahead and center up, that way we know we are straight, and when we machine the top of the guide down, it's going to be perpendicular to the guide center line. So we'll do that real quick. Alright, we'll take the chuck out, and here's our spot facer, and just taper fit holds that. And here we go. And what we're going to do is just machine down to the tip of the old guide. We're not going to center up on each guide because it's not necessary. All we're concerned with when we center is keeping the top of the guide at 90 degrees to the inside. And chopping the guide like this, that's the only dimension that matters, so we can just kind of eyeball it and go ahead